Mastering intraday trading is like walking a tightrope between risks and rewards. Every tick of the market can bring exhilaration or despair. The key? Understanding volatility. It's your best friend and worst enemy. You can capitalize on small price movements, but one wrong move can wipe out your gains in seconds. Risk management is crucial. Set strict stop-loss orders and never risk more than you can afford to lose. Diversification helps, but in intraday trading, timing is everything. Watch for patterns, news, and market sentiment. Remember, it's not just about making money. It's about preserving your capital. Stay disciplined, keep emotions in check, and always learn from your trades. The thrill of intraday trading can be addictive, but with the right strategy, you can turn that adrenaline into profit.